Now it looks like we're going to have to go back and revise a little bit of our concept because we had said that a good argument has two characteristics: good connections between the premises and conclusion, well formed, which we said was valid, and good premises, true premises. But we see we have some arguments that in fact, the one that we just considered was one of those arguments that looks like there's a good connection between the premises and the conclusion, but nonetheless it isn't valid. And I think here's the refinement we need. Validity guarantees that true premises lead to a true conclusion. It's the standard for the deductive arguments. You might say it's the gold standard. But there are nonetheless good arguments that don't meet this standard. Valid arguments good, but there are good arguments, inductive arguments, in which the premises are good reasons for the conclusion. That is, there are arguments, good inductive arguments, and good inductive inferences that render conclusions reasonable or probable based on the truth of the premises, but don't guarantee the truth of the conclusion. And now let's take a look at some of the forms of these arguments, right? Because again, we're looking for well-formed. We now know what well-formed deductive arguments are, but let's see the components of well-formed inductive arguments.